Good morning, children. In early class, we discussed about the natural realms, part 1, and now we are going to discuss about remain part. What that is? Jigsaw puzzle. Jigsaw puzzle is related to first lesson. What that is? Plates. We are discussing here plates. Plates means interior or inner part of the earth. You know that inner part of the earth. What that is? Crust, mantle, core. We know that crust, mantle, core. This is crust, this is mantle, this is core. Like this. Three parts are there. We discussed that. So, plates are floated on mantle. This is crust. This is crust, mantle and core. You know that. Plates are floated on mantle. Mantle means that is second layer. So, plates are moving. So, this is called jigsaw puzzle. That's why at earlier unique earth is there and unique water is there. Due to forces of plates, the unique earth is divided into several continents. This is called jigsaw puzzle. So, next one. How many plates are there? Number of plates are there. Number of plates are there. But here plates are, we know 6 major plates and 2 minor plates. 2 minor plates means small plates, that is Arabian plates and Nazca plate. And major plates, Pacific plate, Africa plate, South America plate, North America plate, Eurasia plate and Australian plate and Eurasia and Asian plate is also there. So, here plates are moving. That is the important thing. Due to the plates movement, continents are originated. When the continents originated, the unique water body is also changed into different types of oceans and seas. So, this is perfect jigsaw puzzle and moving of the plates. Plates is always moving. Big plate and the small plate always moving. So, moving of plates are known as plates tectonics. Plates tectonics. Moving plates is known as plates tectonics. Plates always moving. That is the most important thing. And later, sea floor spreading. What is meant by sea floor spreading? You see just what I am giving once you see. This is a ocean. Mid of the ocean generally volcanoes are composed. Suppose it is a Pacific Ocean. Lot of volcanoes are composed here. So when volcanoes are blast, ultimately what the layer is there, that is come to the beach side or coast side. Then the heavy sand which is come to the nearest coastal side, then it is formed as a land. Sometimes this part is known as sea floor spreading. So, sea floor spreading means due to the volcanoes blasting, the coastal line is expanding. This is known as sea floor spreading. Generally, it's happening where there is a lot of volcanoes in the sea or in the ocean. This is a particular topic. And drama at margin. Drama at margin means what the thing is going on. Drama at margin means, you see what is going on. This is a big plate and this is a small plate. Big plates, small plates. When small plate is moving and backside big plate is coming. So when it pushes, then small plate will go to the upwards. And big plate is moving, then big plate which is pushes the small plate, then automatically small plate will form a look like a folded mountain. About drama at margin. Here big plate which pushes to the small plate, automatically big plate when pushes to the small plate, then these are all come to the upwards, then folded mountains will occur. So this is called drama at margins. It means when plates are moving, big plate which pushes the small plate, then small plate will come to the upwards, then here mountains will be formed. So that is called drama at a margin. Himalayas are formed like that only. Eurasia plate and India plate both are crash, pushes one by one, then ultimately Himalayas are formed. Himalayas are folded mountains. So this is a small plate. And later volcanoes. We know lot of volcanoes are there, active volcanoes are there in the world. Number of volcanoes are there. That is called in Stromboli, Sicily, and Mount Pile is there in West Indies, and Mount Vesuvius is there in Italy, and Fusiyama is there in Japan, and Cotopaxi is there in Equator, and one more is there, that is Barren and Narkodam, that is in India, and the last one is Kilimanjaro is there in Tanzania. So number of volcanoes, active volcanoes are there. Volcanoes, it is also one type of formation on the land, natural formation, but sometimes the volcanoes will blast, then Multan mountain is coming, then it will formed afterwards with the ash and molten material, it will formed into the igneous rocks. Now Deccan Plateau, you know that Deccan Plateau totally formed by the volcanoes eruption and igneous rocks, that is Deccan Plateau. So in this part we discussed about these are all particles. Now we are going to discuss one more important thing, that is drama at margin afterwards. Volcanoes blasting also very most important thing. Volcanoes blast. Most of the important volcanoes are there in the world, and but in Indian point of view, two are there. That is located at Andaman Nicobar Island. That is Barren and Narkodam. And here also in Mangalagiri one volcano is there, but it is not a active volcano. So students, once again we will discuss again these are all, and it is a questioning time right now. What is the question? First one, what we discussed that part we will discuss. First question to you, what that is, number one, how many realms are there? First question, not done. How many realms are there? Later, what is meant by first order landform? Give example. What is meant by second order landform? Give one example. And what is meant by third order landform? Give one example. And the next question is, what is meant by jigsaw puzzle? What is meant by jigsaw puzzle? And what is meant by plates tectonics? What is meant by plates tectonics? And what is meant by sea floor spreading? And what is meant by small plate, and what is meant by big plate? How many small plates are there? How many big plates are there? And how Himalayas are formulated or originated? So this is important question, point of questions. You can prepare all fair notes and question answers in your fair notebook. So you will prepare all the things and you can design all the things in fair notes. So students, okay, are you ready to prepare? Okay.